In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to download videos on YouTube without needing a premium subscription. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once you're inside, find the video you want to save. You can scroll through your feed or search for any video you like, then tap on it to open. After the video starts playing, look just below the video player where you see the channel name, like button, and other options. Slide through those options until you find the download icon. Once you spot it, tap the download button. If everything works properly, you'll notice a progress indicator, usually a blue circle showing that the video is being saved to your device. And that's it, really simple. That's how you can download videos directly from YouTube without having premium access. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.